the 620G, which is the new pop top by Autotrail. I want to have a look in here. Come on. So one of the main features of the 620 is the fact that it has a pop top roof. It is an additional extra. It does come in at just under 6,000 to add it, but it takes it from a 2-berth van to a 4-berth van. Let's see how it all works. You are getting that huge amount of space, but it isn't giving you that space while you're driving. It comes completely flat, the same as an ordinary motorhome, but it is giving you another double bedroom up there, and it does just pop. It does have electric up there. There is seatbelt to the side, which is how you pull it down and connect it. There's also a ladder to get up there. I'm a bit nervous to go up though. So for a smaller berth vehicle, there is a lot in here. So you do have a nice big cooker, which you just have your 3 hobs. You also have obviously an oven. You have a microwave built in as well, which is a Russell Hobbs, which is a nice size. Brand spanking new, who knew? And as usual with Autotrail, you have a lot of storage. You've got plenty of storage here. You've got your sink, which has a topper built in as well, which is nice. I know you need 2 plugs in it, but hey ho. Then you've also got, I love this. So they've got a built-in, and I like the fact it slides. That's what we need in our van. And then another 2 cupboards for more stuff, and then another one underneath here as well. Then you have probably one of the nicest things I like about it is they have a full-sized fridge freezer. A nice big freezing compartment on the top as well, with some extra storage underneath. You have got your obviously a nice big bed at the back, which I do really like. Now, one of the nicest things about this, for me personally, it's like top notch, is under the bed it actually has the biggest wardrobe I have ever seen in my life. I could probably fit the dogs in there just to sleep. Brilliant. You've got a little unit here for hiding the ladder, which I think is also really, really nice. And it doesn't feel like you're compacted. There's quite a few of these, I always feel like I'm stuck for space. This actually feels quite nice and wide. You have got a lovely bathroom. I love this bathroom. So it does have a nice big shower tray. It's got a little swivel toilet, which I think is really nice. A little window that's in the corner. You've got a nice big mirror, which I love. Makes it seem so much open space. So typical with Autotrail, it does come with plenty of storage, which I love. So you do have your nice big seat here, which has also got another 2 seatbelts. So there is 4 seatbelts in this van. There is your 2 captain's chairs, and you have this one here. You've got quite a nice big table with a nice big window. You have got space for a TV, which is always a bonus, I guess. You have got a big storage unit above and 2 little cubby holes either side. And famously, we're not going to try and open the window again, but they have got a nice big open window with a blind, which is really, really nice. But this is the selling point. This is what this van is going crazy for. So it is one of the first, I think it is the first for me, pop top motorhome. So it does come as a standard as a 2-berth. You can pay the extra to have it added, but it makes it then into a 4-berth. It looks crazy up there, I'm not going to lie, but it looks amazing. It does also have zip-out windows so that you can have a nice view if you're up there. There is also plenty of space up there. And we'll try and see if we can give you a sneak peek because they've taken the ladder away. I have to say this van does actually feel really, really cosy. For a smaller vehicle, it feels really homely and really welcoming. You have got, it is an automatic, you've got a touchscreen pad as well there with all your diagnostics and everything on it. It is a lovely, lovely vehicle. Overall, this model is 75,000, which of course is still a chunk of money, but I think it's a nice vehicle if it's just a couple or a couple with maybe the odd children here or there. This would be a really nice little family vehicle. And of course, with the pop top going flat, you haven't got to worry so much about the space above being in the way while you're driving. Yes, a nice little vehicle, Autotrail. I think it is a very, very smart looking vehicle, and it's nice the fact that it's an automatic. I like the blue. I like the fact that even though you've got the extra space above, when it's on a pop top, when it's lowered down, it's actually quite a low vehicle because you haven't got the overhead cab. So underneath the bed of the vehicle, it has a bit of a boot, but it's not just like a mid-sized boot. It's huge. Look at the size of that. So if you're a mountain biker or even a couple of scooters, I think you'd get in there. you do have a huge boot, which I think is lovely. So another thing that's really, really nice about the 620 range is it's actually a Ford Transit base. We're back.